Reshining this hair. Y'all see this? All up in this 4K.
In the dark or something? Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Well, hello, you beautiful mother jumpers. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm here with another mother jumping one from my new friends over at Reshine Hair. So I'm mad at myself because Reshine Hair has great packaging. I snatched it off so you didn't get the full effect. So today Reshine Hair provided us with, okay, the eyelashes, 3D lashes. They are they 4D, 5D, 7D. They all the D's, okay? Big D, little D, and all the other D's. As well as 2 wig caps, okay? And then just like a little card just telling you how to take care of your unit. And I'm coming through with something special today, so I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Reshine Hair so graciously provided me with the, Hood Honey 3000. You already know where I'm going up with this, okay? We're going for, you know what I mean, Beach Babe 5000. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, all right? They provided us with a 30-inch 250% density, 30 inches, y'all. I'm not even a 30-inch ass. Shh. Okay, I don't know what it is. It's just not my thing. But I mean, I'm abnormally excited about this, as well as the fact that it's a 4x4. Okay, so I'm leaning into wearing this glueless. It's the summertime. Some of us want to wear the things down, but you know, for me, I'm trying to wear mother glueless. It also comes with this adjustable band, so I think that's the point of that. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle, okay? 1 in the back, adjustable straps, all right? What kind of forever? I'm excited about this one. I'm going to go on through, obviously, darken this up. She's looking a little bit clear to me. But wait a minute, before we get into that, did y'all pick the motherfucking foundation now? I say, oh, y'all see my wisdom? I say here and braiding my hair down, baby. I could wear this to like Walmart. That's what I was trying to do. Like, cause sometimes I always want to throw in a wig. I just be wanting like a cute little style. But you know, with some hoop earrings, you can get it and go. Got my little bun in the back. But I'm gonna show my mammy that mouth. Let's get on into this unit, see what she working with. Okay, and I'm gonna see you on the other side.
All right, babies, let's get on in to this 4x4 Reshine Hair water wave human hair closure wig. Okay, so this is a 4x4 closure wig. I have her in 30 inches and she is 250% density. Okay, she is currently going for under $400, $379.81 on reshinehair.com. Okay, this unit is really beautiful. I'm going through and just plucking her just a bit because I already know I'm not putting no glue on this Mammy Tappan wig. Why? The lace is phenomenal. She does not need one. Okay, she does not need no glue, no nothing. We're gonna fit her up on here like a fitted cap and keep it moving. Now this is transparent lace, absolutely stunning. Okay, medium brown is what they're calling the lace color. I am very much into this. This is my second really curly wig from Reshine Hair in a row, and I'm really impressed. Primarily because this unit is it doesn't tangle. She doesn't shed much, okay? You know, we're used to a couple curls shedding and everything like that. That's par for the course, but I must say I have been absolutely blown away by this unit. I wore it, no BS. I had a photo shoot, wore it to dinner, wore her to sleep, woke up, wore her to sleep glueless, BT dubs, okay? So I want you guys to get into this unit. I know $379.81 is expensive. I know it's expensive for the girls in the back, okay? And for the girls like me, okay? So we got Zip Pay, Quad Pay, Klarna. You can pay in full with 0% interest, okay? So let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit. I am going on through and getting mother all the way together because glueless is the way she shall be worn. All right, and I'm gonna see you mother jumpers on the
Went to
other
a
side.
photo shoot, wore this hair. The pictures are phenomenal. I'll make sure I insert at least one of them here. I'm in this space of rebranding and just really trying to find myself as a brand and, you know, looking to elevate. And that's the truth. And we've kind of gone through, like, you know, ebb and flow on my channel, and I really want us to kind of like grow and figure out, not even figure out, I know where the fuck I want to be, period. Okay, big period. And I want to take y'all with me, and I want y'all to help me get there. You know what I mean? Because I can only do this with you guys. Reshining this hair. Y'all see this? All up in this 4K. I changed my setting spray, and I think I don't like the way it sets. I changed it to the Milk Hydro Spray because I used the Milk Hydro Primer. I don't like it. I gotta go back to Urban Decay. It's clear to me. Because I've been trying to figure out why my makeup is not doing what it usually does. Like, my makeup usually looks like skin. And people are always like, when I go out, people are like, girl, you got great skin. I be thinking like, girl, beat down, okay? But, yeah, so it's really funny that I get that a lot. Now, I'm going through, and I'm just wetting her down, okay? I'm just going to wet her up. Mother deserves. She needs a little bit of hydration. I kind of been playing with the curls, playing them out a little bit. So I'm just going to put this into sections and just go through. This is just water. Just water. A little bit of the WIG leave-in conditioners in here too. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm just going through with my fingers. And I'm going through with my fingers and not a brush or a comb intentionally. I just want... I'm going to add a little bit of anti-frizz too, because I don't want so many frizzes at the top. And I'm just going to go in through and just work the water on through the hair, because this is such a stunning unit. Now, I did kind of do a similar unit with Reshine Hair recently. Look how beautiful it is. Where is that unit even at? This one is longer though. This one is 30. Look how beautiful that is. This is 30 inches, okay? What I'm going to do... Sorry guys, I have a Pantene serum, okay? This is the Pantene Hydrating Anti-Frizz Serum. Absolutely love this for my big curls. And you can put this on dry hair, wet hair, like it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna work it on through. And it really helps with that frizzy situation. Like, I right now don't want it to be frizzy. I'm gonna just go grab a bit to eat and edit my content. And I just want to kind of make it, you know, visually pleasing for you guys. Why? Oh, no, I don't. Okay. Just wanted to work it on through with a comb. I add a little bit more water, and then I put my mousse. And for mousse, we're using, I'm obsessed with Lotta Body. Obsessed with Lotta Body, okay? Literally. I'm just going to add... so you guys can see, and then I'll shut my mouth. Lotta Body mousse again, okay, with the shea oils. And we're just gonna go on through. So yeah, so a lot of things are going to be coming in the next few months from, or not even few months, the next month from me. I have a lot going on and a lot of changes coming. So y'all bust down and just let me know, are y'all down for the change? Look how beautiful this is. Oh, bitch! Do you see that? I'm gonna shut my Mary tape mouth and do the rest, okay?
Said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean.
So here we are. She's all mousse down. I'm gonna let her air dry. I'm curious to see what she's gonna look like once she's air dry. Again, I used this unit in a photo shoot 2 or 3 days ago and teased her. She was big and wild and sexy, so it was kind of good to have her a little bit more, you know, bought in. You know, we bought her in a little bit, just a little bit. This is a relatively expensive unit, but Reshine Hair is phenomenal hair. And the more I collaborate with them, the more I get to test out these units, and the more it's like really consistent for me. I want you to bust down and let me know what you have experienced with Reshine Hair. That's important for me to know so we can take back to the business. But this, it's just effortless. Like, I wanted it to look like we're just out here doing a thing. I also want to remind you guys that this is 100% glueless. It's a 4x4. I'm like more into closures than I am frontals, and I have one reason why. Convenience. I like to throw my shit on and go. Like, if I'm going to the Walmart, I'm really sitting here looking like Meek Mill most of the day. But when I hit the Walmart, I kind of just want to throw something up on my head and keep it moving and still be cute, right? This, you get that full cuteness. You get the vibe with a 4x4 closure. So that's why I personally love them. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. Make sure it's no tracks showing. She's very thick. Again, she's 30 inches of love, sex, and magic. Okay? So she's coming all the way through. So she's coming all the way through. I really do love this unit. I really have nothing bad to say about it. I mean, absolutely, positively nothing. She is what she looks like. That girl. The bee's knees. You understand? Like, she really is giving. And I like really, really, really do love this. I'm like really into this. Let me know what you guys think. Bust down. We're talking transitions and where we are and everything. We're moving into a new era. We're moving into our renaissance as a group. I hope you guys can come on this ride with me, okay? It's going to be a little bumpy, but we're going to get there. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Check out Reshine Hair.